The Holystone HS600D drone. This is my review, and is it worth the money is the question we're going to answer. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking to the skies with the Holystone HS600D, a GPS drone packed with features that promises stunning 4K footage and impressive flight performance. But did it live up to the hype? Let's go find out. You're watching it fly right now. Let's talk about it. My first impressions, this drone feels solid and well built. I mean, it is a hefty little guy here. It includes a new 3-axis gimbal for stable shots, a 4K camera capable of some truly breathtaking footage. You're watching the footage right now, so you can make your own decision on how breathtaking it is. Holystone claims up to 80 minutes of flight time, and that is thanks to its new intelligent battery and a 20,000 foot transmission range. You can definitely go further than ever before, but wait till the end and we'll talk about those features in the review. The controls on this drone should be really responsible and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. I actually was particularly impressed with the GPS functionality, which includes features like return to home, follow me, waypoint flight, all those things that you want to see in an advanced drone. So the camera should deliver a really crisp 4K image. You're looking at it again, you're gonna make your own decision on that. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which should do a fantastic job of stabilizing that footage. While it may not be a professional grade camera, it's definitely more capable than anything they've ever produced in the past. And I'm getting the impression, looking at it on screen, that it looks awesome for doing videos, social media, that kind of stuff. Before we go talk to me and see what my actual experience was like, let's talk about some of the most common questions I've gotten and seen about this drone. The first question I always get is the drone difficult to fly for beginners? And my absolute answer is not at all. The HS600D is actually very beginner friendly. It has intelligent flight modes, including one-key takeoff and landing, which make it super easy to get started. Plus, the GPS functionality provides additional safety and stability, and I did test it. I ran it until it ran out of range and it flew home, and then I hovered it until the battery died and it landed itself perfectly in both situations. Another common question is, what is the real world battery life like? So while Holystone claims 80 minutes, in my testing, I consistently got like 60 to 70 minutes of flight time. I never hit that 80-minute mark, but if you look at other drones and stuff, 60 to 70 minutes on 2 batteries is absolutely mind-blowing amazing for something with this kind of performance. Another super common question is, what about the range? And they claim a 20,000 foot transmission range, which is theoretical, and obviously you cannot fly it for 20,000 feet. You're gonna go to jail, the FAA is gonna hunt you down and put you in jail. So don't do that. Don't worry about it either. You can fly as far as reasonably any person can wanna fly a drone and use it. You're gonna have no issues with the distance at all. Forget that whole range anxiety question. It's not like driving a Tesla. Overall, this Holystone HS600D is an excellent drone, offering a great balance of features, performance, and price. It was easy to fly, capture footage, all those kind of things, great long battery life. But let's go talk to me after all the flying was done and all that kind of stuff and see what my real world experience was like. Let's talk about what the experience is like and what I think about this as a review. Okay, I have to say, you don't have to go really deep into this. I mean, I think you should listen to me, but I'm gonna tell you this thing's freaking awesome right here off the top. Amazing. My favorite feature is its stability in the wind. Wow, was it great. I mean, I think it's a big heavy beast. It's got these giant blades on it, and with this 3-axis gimbal, the images were great, the response was great, flying it was absolutely awesome. I will say one downside that you need to know about is it is fairly loud. I think that's a function of it being so large, these large fixed wings. But oh boy, the loud is worth it because it flies so good. It is so rare that with these, let's call it an Amazon-y kind of brand, like it's a middle brand. It is not a DJI product, right? But it is so close now. The quality of this is on a whole nother level. The remote is amazing. The connectivity was amazing. The experience using it is absolutely off the hook amazing. Bulletproof. The range is beyond reasonable. Like, you can fly it so far out of visual line, which obviously you can't do under FAA rules. So don't worry about range. There's no range anxiety here with this thing, that's for sure. I think I did like that you now have some adjustability with the quality of the image, like you can adjust the camera settings a little bit. I'm still waiting and hoping that in future updates, they will include features like 4K 60, maybe 1080 at 120, so you could get some more cinematic looks, some slow motion stuff. I mean, 4K 30 is amazing, but it's just a little like kind of locked in a range, right? So I'd love to see those higher frame rates in the future. Battery life is ridiculously outstanding, absolutely awesome. I did even just for you, while trying to do stupid things you shouldn't do, in my quest to really test it for you, I like to drive it through kind of like a wooded area, get some great images, and of course I crashed it twice. And I will say, I crashed it twice, picked it up, dried it off, put the arms back where they were supposed to be, and every time it started up and flew, no problem whatsoever. Ooh, I do have one complaint. Every time that you restart it and change the battery, anything like that, you have to recalibrate the compass, which is a good idea, but a little over the top. I wish you didn't have to do it absolutely every time you started the drone. There you go, so I got one negative in there. If you're actually interested in this drone, there's probably a link down here somewhere right on the screen. You could use that to get the drone. Worst case, it is in the description, the link to go get it. Obviously, it's so helpful if you will like, subscribe, all those kind of things. Put in a comment, what are you looking to do with this drone? What other drones are you looking at? Put it down there, let's have a conversation, let's talk about it. What do you say we go to the past and talk to me before I flew it and see what that unboxing is like? Welcome to the past. You've seen it fly, you've heard the review, now you want to know what's inside this box. I want to know too. I have not seen it yet, so let's get in there and see what we find. If you're not familiar with Holystone yet, they always come with these really nice carrying case, which I just love because if you're getting this as a gift or you're getting this for somebody, most likely they're going to want to travel and take some great video. So this just makes it so much easier. Oh, check this thing out. It's got a pocket here on the front. Let's see if anything's in it. Nothing's really in that pocket. Be a great place for like memory cards, that kind of stuff. Okay, here we have our instructions. Again, nicely organized, so you can see the case is just all set up, ready to go. And we have, I'll make you wait for that, or I'll make myself. Here's some big old blades for a big old drone. We got some wires for connecting the phone to the remote. Whoo, this is a solid battery. I bet you this thing had a crazy flight time. Here's the remote. I've seen this before. They've used this on other models. This is a really nice, solid remote. I've had great success with this in the past. Has all those modern features. The sticks come off. They get mounted right there. Your phone mounts right there directly to it with those wires which are included. Great, great feel in your hand. Really nice. And then here is the big surprise. Oh, wait, there's more. Hold on. Oh, another battery, some additional wires. Any other secret things? There are more secret things. A strap. That's nice. You can see it's got mounts here and here, so you can throw it over your shoulder, carry it that way like a cute little pocketbook. Yep, those are all the big surprises in there. You've seen the drone fly already, but let's open it up so that I can see it for the first time. We can share that experience. These are some nice big brushless motors on here. These are not joking around little things. As we discussed, they got some huge blades on it. Final thing we want to see is let's check out this three-axis stabilized gimbal right there with an awesome little camera on there. Hold on a sec. We have two hands to pull this plastic coating off. This thing is cool looking. Obviously, you're still here. You're probably interested. There should be a link right below here. I'm quite sure there's a link down here somewhere. Worst case, the link is in the description. Click on it. You can do some shopping. Check it out. Get that deal. Might even have a discount code. Check that in the description. In any case, this thing is super cool. I can't wait to go fly it. I'm gonna go do that tomorrow. You already saw those shots, so I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.